Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. There's nothing better than having a garden with beautiful blooms in lovely shades. You can prepare this by growing flowers that bloom all year round. They are climate resistant, bright, and blooms in a wide range of colors that'll truly make your yard a visual delight. Here there are top 11 flowering plants which will bloom all year around. 1. Rose. You do not have to be a plant lover to know what rose is. This plant has over 300 species and can form group plants that can be shrubs. Mainly known for its red color, the rose is found attractive to many couples. Roses can flower throughout the year. Rose soothes skin irritation and is used to reduce skin redness. It also contains antioxidants that are used to heal scars, cuts, and burns. 2. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is a great tropical plant, and makes for great climber plants. Bougainvillea is an evergreen climber plant and is used as an ornamental in many gardens. Its bright colors can do wonders to any gloomy garden. The plant loves an open air and hot dry climate. It is also resistant to attacks by cattle and birds, owing to its thick piercing thorns. 3. Hibiscus Rosa Sinensis. Generally known as a shoe flower by many school children, the hibiscus is a brightly colored flower with vividly colored petals. It has great medicinal values, but it most commonly is used as a dissecting flower in schools for learning purposes. The hibiscus is a species with a wide range of variations, each with bright colored petals and a wide selection of uses. 4. Ixora. Ixora is one of the most common summer plants any garden can have. With over 500 species to its name, Ixora flowers rather freely in the summer months, sometimes also during winter. In fact, its variation Ixora cochina flowers during winter. The plants come mostly colored in red, yellow, and bright orange. Their growth and maintenance are also quite simple, making them favorites among many gardeners. The flower is used to treat astringent and also dysentery. These plants are mainly used in China and India to treat fever and headache. 5. Lantana. Lantana is a broad-leaved vibrant flower that, although looks like a vine, is actually categorized as a shrub. They come in a wide variety of colors, including but not limited to yellow, orange, white, red, and purple. These colors can be mixed to create a bicolored effect that can only stand to beautify the garden as a whole. They even prefer warm climates, with well-drained soils, and very less fertilizer. 6. Adenium. Adenium is more popularly known by local botanists and gardeners as the desert rose. Mostly used as bonsai plants, these plants have bright and eye-sparkling colors and shades of red, which few flowers can compare to. One thing to note about these plants is that adenium is prone to attacks from worms, and so a good practice would be to apply a fungicide to the plants after cutting the stems. 7. Milii. Milii is popularly known around the globe as the Christ plant or Christ thorn. It is native to Madagascar, however, many botanists have found India to be a suitable habitat for this plant as well. As a result, milii can be grown in many regions around the country where there is a warm climate with good, well-moistured soil. The flowers of this plant are very small by nature and give a sort of unique experience to the gardener. Caring for milii plants is usually not a complex process, as it requires very low maintenance. 8. Cross Andra. Cross Andra is a very famous crop, also known as aboli, cultivated throughout many regions in India. Most of the cultivation is done for commercial purposes, however, it can also be planted for adding sheen to your garden. The plant is also known as the firecracker plant because of its bright flamey color. They are also used as ornamental plants for many different occasions, often paired with jasmine to give a deep visual and fragrant effect. 9. Tiobouchina. Growing up to 15 feet, these plants, also known as princess flowers, or begum bahar. They are most commonly found in vivid dashes of purple. These plants are around 3 meters in diameter and almost fluorescent at night. 10. Allamanda cathartica. The Allamanda cathartica flower is commonly called a golden trumpet. This plant is native to Brazil and Southern America. It can be used to kill bacteria and reduce swelling. They are also used as a medicine to treat and cure liver diseases. In some chemical experiments, Allamanda cathartica is used as a neutralizer for free radicals. This is a good climber flowering plant. 11. Mussaenda acuminta. This belongs to the family of Rubiaceae. This comes in a variety of colors and mainly known for its attractive appearances. This is native to Asian and African tropics. It's a very important ornamental shrub. The leaves are around 7.5 to 12.5 centimeters long. These plants are used to treat leprosy and jaundice. And also patients suffering from asthma, ulcers, and edema are treated using this plant. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.